How do you know if a slot machine is loose? Listed below are just a few ways to find the loose slots. Look for a slot machine that is visible from many directions and that is centrally located in the casino. When players see others winning, it encourages them to keep trying for a jackpot. This is generally where the casinos place their best slot machines.
You have to think, I like to call this marketing. If you go into a store, they're going to put the products they want you to buy on an end cap on the end of the aisle, so that when you walk by you see it, you grab it. And there's a lot of strategy and stuff that comes in business schools or through that kind of thing, if you know anything about that, with product placement and how to get people to buy stuff. The same's true in the casinos. They want you to see people winning, so you have to look around, and if I've said this before, if you're sitting next to somebody that's winning, or the machine seems to be paying, move, because yours isn't going to. But every so often they'll put a looser machine out there so that people will see people winning, put money into their machines, and try to get a fever pitch going. So I like to call this the marketing strategy. Basically, you have to think, if this was my casino, where would I put the winning slots at? And sometimes that's on the end caps, sometimes that's up on high. You have to kind of evaluate, walk around the casino, do your homework. Just don't go and jump on the first machine that's looking pretty to you. Go walk around and think, where would by volume the most people be seeing this, that they want people to see. And they don't want, people that are going to go play blackjack necessarily, or they're coming to dance or whatever, or coming to play cards to see. They want slot players, so they want people that are playing slot machines to see people winning. So you walk around and see where some of the more with aisles, or how they got things staggered, or sometimes they might have stairs going up, and just where the most people will be able to see, maybe walking around or walking by, and they can draw people into play. So that would be my strategy on finding a loose slot, is you're going to go and look for a place that it may not be right there at the doors or right there at the exit or whatever, but where a lot of people that are looking for a slot are going to see a slot machine, and that's going to be the one that's paying out. I hope that makes sense. So you might want to play around a little bit, but just think, if this was my casino, where would I put the loose slot machine? It's not going to be, right next to the crap tables where people are playing craps for $25 a hand or whatever, well, a roll, or, $25 a hand. Blackjack, because they don't want people at the blackjack tables to look over and see some guy on the dollar slots doing well, and then they're going to go lose them to that. So it's probably going to be away from the table areas, in the little slot areas. And then just think, if I was running this, where are the most people going to be seeing this, as far as slot machine players. So once again, good luck. Get out there, walk around, don't be afraid to look and watch for a little bit. Pick your denomination, and sometimes, it's hit or miss, trial or error. Sometimes they'll switch them out on you. You'll think you found a good one, and play that for a few visits, and they'll switch it out on you. So just marketing, and take some business approach to it. Think that kind of way, like when you go to a store where they put, you get your name brand stuff on a certain place on the shelf where people see it versus the store brand. Well, you're going to look for your store brand slot machine mixed in with all the good name brand slots, so to speak. So I hope you're all doing well. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think about this strategy, if you've used it, and how it works for you. And until then, I guess we'll see you next time. Thanks.